I did, I do, I will do. I run, I run, I will run. I went, I go, I will go. I thought, I think, I will think. I made, I make, I will make. I was, I am, I will be. I ate, I eat, I will eat. I drank, I drink, I will drink. I knew, I know, I will know. I said, I say, I will say. I took, I take, I will take. I brought, I bring, I will bring. I wrote, I write, I will write. I got, I get, I will get. I had, I have, I will have. I caught, I catch, I will catch. I told, I tell, I will tell. Have a bath, have a drink, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch. Take a break, take a chance, take a look, take a seat, take an exam. Do business, do nothing, do the cooking, do your best, do your hair. Make a decision, make a mess, make an effort, make money, make a mistake. ASAP, as soon as possible. ETA, estimated time of arrival. DIY, do it yourself. BRB, be right back. LOL, laugh out loud. FYI, for your information. AKA, also known as. TBA, to be announced. TBD, to be determined. FAQ, frequently asked questions. VIP, very important person. ID, identification. DOB, date of birth. ATM, automated teller machine. PIN, personal identification number. SOS, save our souls. PTO, paid time off. RIP, rest in peace. HR, human resources. CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, CTO, Chief Technology Officer, PR, Public Relations, ROFL, rolling on the floor laughing, SMH, shaking my head, POV, point of view, UFO, unidentified flying object, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. Present simple, she listens to music. Present continuous, she is listening to music. Present perfect, she had listened to music. Present perfect continuous, she has been listening to music. Past simple, she listened to music. Past continuous, she was listening to music. Past perfect, she had listened to music. Past perfect continuous, she had been listening to music. Future simple, she will listen to music. Future continuous, she will be listening to music. Future perfect, she will have listened to music. Future perfect continuous, she will have been listening to music. Basic versus native English. How are you? What's up? Of course. Sure thing. You decide. It's up to you. I don't care. Whatever. Hurry up. Chop chop. Don't give up. Hang in there. I agree. Same here. I'm tired. I'm beat. Not cool. Lame. Go to bed. Hit the sack. At, on, or in. At is used with time. On is used with days. And in is used with seasons, months, and years. Blank Saturday. On Saturday. Blank 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. Blank May. In May. Blank 1999. In 1999. Blank summer. In summer. TBH, to be honest. NVM, never mind. BTW, by the way. BRB, be right back. LMK, let me know. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. RN, right now. AKA, also known as. IDK, I don't know. NA, not applicable. He studied, he studies, he will study. He thought, he thinks, he will think. He spoke, he speaks, he will speak. He said, he says, he will say. He was, he is, he will be. He played, he plays, he will play. He made, he makes, he will make. He ran, he runs, he will run.
He ate, he eats, he will eat. He slept, he sleeps, he will sleep. He swam, he swims, he will swim. He tried, he tries, he will try. He did, he does, he will do. He had, he has, he will have. He went, he goes, he will go.
Common mistakes in English. Don't say he said me. Say he told me. Don't say explain me. Say explain to me. Don't say I very like it. Say I like it very much.
I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have.
100, 1,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000,000.
I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. I have been, you have been, he has been, she has been, it has been, we have been, they have been. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, they will be. I left, I leave, I will leave. I opened, I open, I will open. I took, I take, I will take. I went, I go, I will go. I sent, I send, I will send. I drove, I drive, I will drive. I saw, I see, I will see. I gave, I give, I will give. I found, I find, I will find. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. I do, you do, he does, she does, it does, we do, they do. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have.
Simple past form. Find, found. Have, had. Leave, left. See, saw. Run, ran. Sit, sat. Think, thought. Write, wrote. English idioms. Spill the beans. Tell a secret. Hold your horses. Stop or wait. Piece of cake. Very easy. In hot water. In trouble. Break a leg. Good luck. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Cost an arm and a leg. Expensive. Hitting the hay. Going to bed. Like a fish out of water. Out of place. Smash hit. A big success. Common mistakes in English. Don't say he cooks good. Say he cooks well. Don't say I need one advice. Say I need some advice. Don't say I became 22 years old. Say I turned 22 years old. Don't say they yes, they no. Say every other day. How to email like a boss. Don't say sorry for the delay. Say thanks for your patience. Don't say no problem, no worries, you're welcome. Say always happy to help. Don't say hopefully that makes sense. Say let me know if you have any questions. Don't say I think maybe we should. Say it'd be best if we. Don't say sorry, I totally missed that. Say thanks for letting me know. Don't say I have a good news. Say I have good news. Don't say I'm here since 2 hours. Say I've been here for 2 hours. Don't say I'm very interesting in history. Say I'm very interested in history. Don't say I am learn English. Say I am learning English. Don't say I'm not agree with you. Say I don't agree with you. Don't say she speaks French very good. Say she speaks French very well. Don't say I like a lot the coffee. Say I like the coffee a lot. I worked, I work, I will work. I tried, I try, I will try. I began, I begin, I will begin. I showed, I show, I will show. I felt, I feel, I will feel. I left, I leave, I will leave. I asked, I ask, I will ask. I said, I say, I will say. I was, I am, I will be. I looked, I look, I will look. I had, I have,
I will have. I wanted, I want, I will want. I used, I use, I will use.